Right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. The weather is super crazy today. The wind's still picking up and it is chucking it down, or certainly raining. So we're not going to attempt anything outside on the car today. So we're going to do something really simple. A lot of people will ask me about the carbon products that I sell on CUSTOMRIDES.uk. If you haven't checked that out, go and check that out. Link in the description and just up here now. This is the carbon fibre gear stick, gear lever surround. A lot of people ask, oh well, how does it fit, or is it that simple? Yes, it is. These come, obviously this is real carbon fiber, so it's handmade, and it does take around 4 to 6 weeks, I'm afraid, to get handmade and sent across, so from the factory. Now you can have different colored inserts here and just on the other side. This one just has a black insert, but you can have orange, red, green, Kawasaki green, performance blue, and so on. And this is simply something that you slip over the handle. So I'm just going to show you that now, how simple this is. Once you've received, it's like a 30-second installation, and it does really transform the inside look of the car. If you're trying to get rid of all the chrome, obviously you can try and paint, or there's other methods, but for the handbrake, should I say, this is for a handbrake surround. For the handbrake surround, you can't really do much with it. You can't take it out really, and well, you could potentially spray it, but it'd be a pain in the ass. So this product is really good to solve that issue, so I'm going to show you that now. Okay guys, so it is as simple as this. So you've got your handbrake surround, and you just simply place it over and gently push down into place. You don't want to do it too hard, and there you have it. So a really nice addition to your ST, blends in nicely with the carbon fiber surround and touches inside the cabin, and this just adds that lovely detail to your handbrake surround. I'll just push it down a little bit further just to get it into place. There we go, that's better. All the way down, and then it's as simple as that. Right, so just to give you wondering why there isn't anything here, I've taken this out. I've actually taken the gear knob off as well, and the whole surround. We are about to install the carbon fiber gear knob insert. That's going to go on, not on this gear knob. This is just a replacement for the moment. I'm actually going to add these up into the website. A lot of people are asking me for replacement ones. Unfortunately, the leather ones are really expensive, but this is cheap and cheerful, and does a great job. In fact, I'll show this later on with the original Ford insert in place. It works quite well. It's not a bad, to be fair, it's not that bad. It doesn't feel as nice in the hand as the leather, but the leather ones are so expensive. So this will be going up, and you can just pull your insert out. So from the bottom, there's a little notch in it where you can just put your fingernail in, lift it up, and then gently pull it out. You've got to be very careful that you don't break the inserts. But this is another something simple that can add to if you've got a really badly worn gear knob and the insert. The actual carbon one does sit in here okay. It's not perfect, but it does work. So potentially you could get one of these and a carbon insert and have a brand new gear knob. So that's going to be done. I'll show that video shortly, the installation of this. This is going to be, again, pretty simple, but I'll show you that on the next video. And we also have we've got replacement buttons for all of these. So these are going to be replaced in black. I'm going to see if I can do that now. We're inside the car, gives us an opportunity to get that done. It does mean moving some bits and pieces, some faces, so we're going to have to pop some of this off. Just to get behind here, there's a couple of screws to take out, and then this will come out. Essentially, we can pop these buttons out, and then unclip the wire or the insert for them, and then replace those. So we've got black ones to do that. I'll show you that shortly on another video, but for now, this is the handbrake insert in carbon fiber. It has the black trim inserts, and is a great addition to your ST. If you got bored of it, you can just simply remove. So yeah, really simple, and it's definitely worth the money. As I say, it's in real carbon fiber, and it really does add to your ST. So everyone, that concludes the video of the handbrake installation of the carbon fibre surround. There's loads of stuff with the carbon fibre, as I say, to install. If you want to grab yourself some, jump on the web store. You've got steering wheel inserts, you've got gear knobs, we've got wing mirrors, caps, and there's loads of other stuff on there as well. So if you are interested in that, and it can be shipped mostly to most worldwide destinations, so if you are interested in getting yourself one of those, hop on over to CUSTOMRIDES.uk and have a look and a browse on there. I'm going to head back now as the weather hasn't improved, so I've got a ton of stuff to do. Headlight, new bulbs, we've got new LED strips to fit again. What else on the outside? Oh, we've got some stuff for the wing. We've got actually carbon fibre front and rear badges. Again, they're available. So there's a ton of stuff to do, but I'm going to get back and finish off the installation of the gear knob insert and show you that. So yeah, it's a shame the weather's just been bad over the last couple of weeks for me. Hasn't worked out, so most of the outside stuff on the car we'll have to do another day. So yeah, thanks for watching as always, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.